Hey everyone! Welcome to this new CAPCUT editing series. In this series, I'll teach you everything from basic editing to pro-level editing step by step. This is the first video of the series, and today we'll learn the basics of overlay editing in CAPCUT. If you're a beginner, don't worry, I'll explain everything in a simple way. So let's start editing. First, you need to open CAPCUT, then click on New Project. After that, select the video you want to edit. You will see an HD button at the bottom, click on it and then edit your video. Now your video will appear on the timeline. Next, watch your video carefully and choose the clips you like the most. Split those clips and move them forward on the timeline to create your edit. After adding your clips, select the clip you want to edit, then scroll through the options at the bottom. Click on Freeze to freeze the clip. Select that frozen frame and turn it into an overlay using the Overlay button below. Once the overlay is added, split the clip and delete the extra back part that you don't need. At the bottom, you'll see the Remove Background option. After that, click on Auto Remove. This will remove the background from your video automatically. Then select the overlay clip, resize it, and place it at the bottom of the screen. Now add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip. After that, go to the ending of the clip and add another keyframe. Then move the video upward, make it bigger, and adjust it according to your preference. After that, click on the graph option. Then select the graph lines and adjust them smoothly, like this, to make the animation look better. Finally, apply the effect and preview your edit. If you want to make your edit even better, you can simply repeat the same process again and again. This way, you can create more smooth animations and advanced edits. Add animations, apply effects, and customize everything according to your style. I didn't use any sound in this video because of possible copyright issues. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Bye bye!